Eid Mubarak to all Islamic brothers. Eid blessing to the lovers of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Please spend your Eid in the zikr of Allah, and please spend your Eid in the pleasure of Allah Azza wa Jal. And Eid day special Wazifa of Eid, a person who recite 300 times Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi on the day of Eid and offer its reward to the soul of the all diseased Muslim, 1,000 light will enter into the grave of every Muslim. Subhanallah. And when the reciter himself dies, 1,000 light will enter into the his grave as well. Subhanallah Azza wa Jal. My all Islamic brothers, please recite 300 times Subhanallah wa bihamdihi on the day of Eid and spend your Eid in the zikr of Allah. Spend your Eid in the pleasure of Allah and avoid sins, avoid music on the day of Eid, especially on the day of Eid, and every time avoid all the sins. Jazakallah khairah. Eid Mubarak.